Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of ProMax Customs. Today we have a 2019 Ciaz Delta variant. This has a normal projector and a halogen headlight setup. This projector light comes with a halogen bulb, so because of which there is a lot of reduced visibility. The customer had the problem of very less visibility on road because of the halogen bulbs installed in this headlight. So today we will be upgrading this to a LED projector headlight, which comes in the top end alpha variant. So it has a LED daytime running lamp at the bottom, and those lights are completely genuine. As you can see, this is a 2019 model Delta variant, which has just run 18,000 kilometers, still under warranty, and this is a hybrid manual variant. The connections that we'll be doing will be complete plug and play. We'll not be cutting any wires on this car, and the top end model headlight can be installed without any wire cuts. So we will be taking you throughout the process. Now you can see the headlights have been removed and we have installed the right side headlamp. I'll be showing you the socket connection for this. So you can see this is a socket which is connected to the headlight, and that's how the connection can be done. By opting for a plug and play type connection, what happens is, one, we will not void our warranty. Second thing, what happens is, in case if you want to come back to your old headlights, you can do that at any moment of time. And these are a brand new set of headlights, not used or refurbished headlights. You can see this is the LED fog lamp. LED fog lamp also comes in the top end variant. That is also genuine Maruti products, and we do not sell any used or refurbished lights. So these brand new headlights will give you a good lifetime, and also you will get warranty for the brand new headlights purchased from us. So we'll be providing warranty as well. The DRL will function as soon as you switch on the ignition. Throughout the ignition time, the DRL will be on. Your dim and bright will work as per the headlight switch under your steering wheel. The indicator sockets also need to be changed for the Ciaz. Even the headlight leveler sockets need to be changed. So as I mentioned, all connections are plug and play, so you will not void any warranty. Any short issue, or your headlights getting damaged, or any of your company wiring gets hampered, so we commit to the words that we say. So you can come visit us and you can see how we install the headlights. We will be doing it in the presence of the customer, and this will be an absolute transparent transaction that happens, so that you can also see what we do to the wiring, or if we are cutting any wires. So stay tuned to us. We will be upgrading more headlights in the near future. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.